Hi everyone, I'm Emma from Planything and I'm finally going to show you the Advent box! One big Planything Christmas party! Let me show you the box. I'm super excited! I'm such a Christmas person and I'm really loving how the box turned out. It's just so pretty. Doesn't it look so pretty? It's a really big box. Look how cute it looks. So many stuff. Let's start opening the box. I'm so excited to show you. Okay, let's start with number 1. It's quite a big bag, but it's for the number 1, so it has to be a big gift. Then number 2. I love it so much to finally show it, and I'm also really can't wait to show you, to have you all open it. Number 3. Number 4. It's quite big and heavy. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. Number 20. 21. Number 22. Number 23. And the final one, number 24. I really can't wait for you to open all these boxes. I also have to mention that the products in this box are Christmas themed and winter themed. I decided to have the first part of the bags Christmas themed, so you can use it already. And the second part of the box is winter theme, because you can also use it after Christmas. And I know a lot of people are using the products in their planner for Christmas, or December dailies, or memory keeping. So I thought that's better for everyone to have the Christmas stuff as early as possible. And of course, I have this planner advent box, but there's also a washi advent box. And we also have the October Christmas time box. And I can tell you that this planner advent box really matches well with the Christmas time box. So if you have ordered it already, or you're planning to subscribe, it's really going well all together. So you have one big Planything Christmas party. I'm shipping all the advent boxes on November 1, so that is coming closer. So make sure you are on time to order the advent boxes. And well, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!